Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my 15 minutes makeup, my everyday makeup, my simple makeup that I'm doing every day, almost every day. First of all, I'm going to catch my hair. So I'm going on this. Actually, it's a nice look. I'm going to clean my face. Actually, I love this part because everything that it's dirt from the night or from every day, you actually really can do this really quick and you will have a really clear face after it. Don't forget the neck. Everyone will say that, don't forget about the neck, but no, you will not forget about the neck. Okay, it's really clear. Don't look at these pimples. I'm still young and I'm having my nice castles on my face. Okay, first thing, I want to have my face really hydrated and everything. So yeah, I'll just pick one. Okay, why should I pick? Why should I pick? Why should I pick? I think I'm going with this one. I don't know why. I really love this cream because it has that nice texture that it my face absorbs like instantly. I really love it. Oh, and it smells, I don't know what it smells. It smells like a flower. It's from Clarins, so I put it. I will put it also here. Okay, done. You're the one I need. Next thing I'm going to put is the primer. I love that this primer, it's really smoothifying my face, and then I will apply the foundation easily. Just everything done and everything will be there. I bought this primer before Miss International. I didn't know about this primer, that it's so good on the stage, and my face, my foundation, my base on that night was really nice, and I wasn't that shiny, that glowy face, that oily face I mean, and it was really nice. I really felt secured, not putting a powder every time I went to the backstage, and it was really nice to have that also. To finally found a good foundation and a good primer. I'm going to put now the foundation. So before the brush I used beauty blender, but now I'm feeling more secured about my fixer. Secure about this, and I really think that, I don't know, the brush fixed a lot and I don't lose that much foundation. It's really nice. So I'm putting the foundation. Now I will apply like this. Let's not forget about that I have an event today, so if I put a little bit more, just pass it out, because it's not as unusual everyday makeup. It's more everyday makeup plus event, so that's why I'm so fancy. Okay, one tip: don't put it like that. It will go just too much in the pores. Put it like this. You will see the difference, trust me. And Miss International, before the final night, I had a pimple here. It was there. And every girl who talked with me, they just look at that pimple. And I just could think that, oh my god, I have it there and everyone will see it and the camera will be there. But this foundation just covered it perfectly. You barely could see that. I will put also a little bit of concealer. Now I'm fresh. I'm like, woke up. I'm not usually putting a lot of makeup, but I'm used to putting a lot of makeup because of beauty pageants, and I don't know, but everywhere I'm going, I just feel like I need a little bit, a drop of foundation every time in my cream, or I just need to put it. So that's why probably I'm having these troubles. Okay, Okay girls, don't forget about your neck. I'm always putting a little bit on my neck, just to know that when I'm turning, I will not have like a mask. I will have blended a little bit on the neck. I don't like to see my lips with foundation. Also, I like to clean my eyebrows. Yeah, because I cleaned everything and I want to be hydrated, I want my lips to be smoother. Yeah, my mom is always like, drink more water. I will let this foundation just put in there and work it out a little bit. Just chilling on my face, and now I'm going my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm just doing just this. I'm just putting a little bit of gel for eyebrows. And because of you, I'm doing this right now. I'm putting just a little bit. Ooh, yeah. And then I'm going to do this. I don't like them to lift it up. I don't know. But every single makeup artist that I met, they really wanted to do this with my eyebrows, and I basically I went to my mirror and I'm just doing it just a bit. I'm so sorry, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like I'm lifted a little bit too much up. You're like, I always wanted to have really not that big brows, but when I was in 8th grade, I really messed up with my pictures at graduation, and I was like mono eyebrow and I was the only one in my school, I think, that had like big eyebrows. I had to deal with this. I mean, now I really like them because they help me a lot. But you know, in school, people are mean. You get bullied because, and I was bullied a little bit by my look, and because I'm brunette, I always had mustache and big eyebrows, and you can just think about how school was really hard for me. And yeah, now I'm really happy with my eyebrows. But now that time passed and I'm just me being me. Okay, next step. Now I will add some primer, then I'm going to the shadow. Every single makeup artist told me to put the primer with this finger, with the ring finger, because it's not putting that pressure. This one. I'm feeling to do it with these fingers, but I don't know what happened. I will try to do it in the right way. Okay, I'm hoping I'm doing this in the right. No, sorry. That glow. Oh, I told you that I will put concealer. I didn't put concealer, sorry. I will put concealer, so let's put a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. I think I put a lot. Ooh. Here. Did I told you that I was a makeup artist a few years ago? I mean, 2-3 years ago? Yeah, I was a makeup artist. Why? Because I was at a folkloric group. I was a dancer at the Serbian folkloric group, and at that time I really had to learn to do my makeup for the stage in 15 minutes. Because of that group, because of that girls, I fell in love with makeup and I really wanted to learn more about this. So I wanted to be a professional makeup artist. And I went to a school, a professional school, to learn makeup. I got my exam. I earned some money to open my studio in my room, in my own room, in my house. So for 1 year, 1.5 years, I did makeup in my room, in my house. And yeah, I was in high school period and I had pocket money. So it was great and it was worth it. But you will invest every time in makeup, so I gave up because I moved in another country and I wanted to learn more things about beauty pageant and modeling, my modeling career, and I had to choose which path I will go. So I didn't choose makeup artist because I wasn't that good. I should learn more things. I should went to seminars and everything, and it was really a big deal for me and I hadn't time for that. I learned everything I should learn from that. It was a period and then I moved on and then I learned and I get to the next level, and yeah, that helped me a lot in beauty pageants. I did my makeup for every stage I went and for every interview. I'm really serious about that because I had problems before my high school with my face, with pimples and everything, and it was a horror movie for me and I don't want to repeat that, period. So I'm really careful with my face and I'm just the only makeup artist to do a special makeup or it's a theme. I will ask my personal makeup artist because she's the only one that will touch my face. Beach mode deactivated. Okay, for my eyes I'm going natural. This is my favorite palette. I'm using this since Miss Supranational. This is my everyday makeup palette and I'm using this every day at beauty pageant. It's really fantastic. I don't use for eyeshadow. I don't use black, just for smoky eyes or for another makeup. But for an everyday makeup, I'm not using I'm using brow and that's it. So I'm starting with this brush and I'm putting this color and I'm just going to blend this. Okay, I want to be cute at this using my brush, but I'm just going to give up so you will see my face, my real face, my real me. I'm going to put this color. I will just highlight a little bit. I will use the cashmere bunnies. I'll just blend a little bit. Like this. If I'm not doing this right, just comment below. I need more time to watch more makeup tutorials, but this is my makeup and I'm fine with that. Next step, add this color. Yeah, you know that color, girls. It's espresso. What coffee do you like? It's espresso. Ooh, that's my shadow color. No, just blend and blend, 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 blend. I'm putting this color again. I like to put it down. Ooh. I will put a little bit of powder. Okay, I will use the Silk Teddy. Now, that was really cute. Look at that. I like it. And then I'm going with a push-up to have like bright color and then to go to the shadow like this. I want to do it like fine, really silky and smooth. I'm trying to get it there. Yeah, bronzer. Say bonjour. Ooh, look what you make me do. Look what you make me do. Just a little bit of contouring. I don't want to put it too much. Now we will say cheese and a fake smile. Just fake it a little bit when you put it. Just fake it. Fake that smile, girl. Fake that smile. Now I'm going to put highlight that probably you waited. Highlight. Are you ready for the glow? Look at that glow. So I learned in my whole career that you should put just here, 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 here. That's it. On the highest points of your face. Oh. And I like to do it a bit here. Ooh, my lips. Now I'm going to put mascara. Little bit of the corner to get a nice look. Look at the difference. God, what happened? Emergency! Houston, we have a problem! No! This is really not the fun part when you have long lashes because of the small lashes here, and when you're just flick them up, you're on your shadow, destroying your art, destroying your life. And the final thing I'm doing is to put a little bit of highlight in the corner here. I'm going with the lips. That will be all. The fixer. Okay, waiting a little bit to fix everything. And that will be my cup day look. Need now to do my hair, but I think I'm going like this, like a natural look. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, guys. I'm Bianca, and see you next time with the next video.